Hello students, welcome back to the maths class, and today we will continue with our chapter number 9, that is my fun day. And as you have already learned the 12 months in a year, so we will learn something more. Today we will learn different festivals that we celebrate all round the year, and also we will learn the months in which they are celebrated. And I know that you have already learned the 12 months in a year and also memorized them. Yes children, so let us start. Let us start the different festivals. So our first festival is Republic Day, and we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. In the whole country it is celebrated. We celebrate it in our school also. So Republic Day is celebrated in the month of January. Then the Vasant Panchami, or that we call as Saraswati Puja, which is celebrated in the month of February. All children, you remember that we go to our school to celebrate this? Yes. Next festival is the Holi, the colorful Holi festival. And in this festival comes in the month of March. And I know you all children love to play with these colors. Then comes the month of April, and in the month of April we celebrate many festivals like Bengali New Year called Poila Boishakh. Then Punjabi people celebrate Baishakhi, Assamese people celebrate Bihu. So in the month of April we celebrate many festivals. Then comes the month of May. This year, in the year 2020, we have celebrated Buddha Purnima and Eid in this month. So, Buddha Purnima and Eid is celebrated in the month of May. Then comes the month of June. In this year 2020, we have celebrated Rath Yatra in the month of June. Then children comes the month of July, which is a monsoon month, and in this month we celebrate Ban Mahotsav. Okay children, we celebrate Ban Mahotsav in the month of July, where we plant new saplings to make our surrounding greener. Next comes the month of August. In the month of August, we know we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Throughout the country it is celebrated, and also we celebrate it very greatly in our school also. Yes, then comes the month of September, and in the month of September we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, which is when we do puja of Lord Ganesha. Then in the month of October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, and it is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October, which is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Then comes the Bengali great festival, that is Durga Puja, which is celebrated in the month of October. Do you enjoy this festival? I think so, yes. Next comes the month of November. In the month of November, we celebrate two festivals. One is Diwali, the festival of lights, and Guru Purab, which is the birthday of Guru Nanak. Then comes the last month, that is the December, and in this winter month, yes, I know we all celebrate Christmas. Do you all celebrate Christmas? Do you enjoy this festival? Yes, I know everyone enjoy this festival by eating cakes and getting gifts. So children, we have learned so many festivals that we celebrate all round the year in the different months, starting from January to December. From the festivals like Republic Day, we celebrate national festivals also like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Along with that, we also celebrate many other festivals like Durga Puja, Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, etc. Okay children, now to do is you have to take out your NCERT book, page number 71. There is the question, write the names of 5 festivals that you or your friends celebrate. Also write the months in which these festivals come. So you have seen in the video that we are celebrating so many festivals. So you will go through the video, see the video and do the page number 71 in your maths book. Thank you children for watching.